The 4 ball. Hit! The Fritzl, guarded by Greenberg. Fritzl steps back for 4. Deep. Stop. I'm doing score now. Oh, the green, that's a 3. Hit! 2-0. BTB is up 2-0. Ferg. Throws it up. Stolen by Greeny. Greeny throws it down. And Boda throws it down. 3-pointer. Bang! Greenberg hits. David. Oh, what a pass. Goes inside. Over to Cole. Cole Johnson. Fritzl. 4-pointer. Bottom. Gotta get a hand, man. David for 2. It's good. David. Range jumper. Down to Boda. Late. Drunk. Blaze. 13-10. And then countdown from. Dang. He misses. On a David. He gets blocked. Cole lays it in. Kind of works too. Aaron for 3. Short. Rebound Greeny. Good fake. Clemps is very vocal. Yeah. Hold it up. Brunner gets the floater to go.
You go, Brunner. Come on.
The back door. Fritzl throws it down. 3-pointer. Hits! Greenberg! A normal game that a normal game of his 15, he would. Buck steps back for 3. No good, but Greenberg puts it in. Butter can't. He's not meant for the finals. 16-24. Clamps is up. 16. Runner for 3. It's good. Lays it in. Three. It's good. Short. Rebound David. Aaron for 3. Big shot. It's good. Aaron Brunner. He's finding it in game 3. What's the score?
Back.
Oh, chicken wrap. 5 seconds remaining. Brunner, the runner. He's short. Gets his rebound.
Look.
And lays it in. Back door. Brunner for 3. Hits! Brunner is in mode. By Aaron, rebound Greeny. Brunner's open. Bang! Aaron Brunner! Cole losing it. Lobs it. And first. What a pass! David throws it down. Stop. He's been fire this game. Takes inside over. No one lays it in.
Yeah. No, we're back. You can't do that.
The 4. Greenberg hits. Gets his rebound. Gets the lane.
Come on.
Puts it up. It's good.
Say swear to God. Say swear to God. Or you're just calling it? We're calling it?